This is the whole thing, whole one. One here. See? Okay. Okay, this is what we call kodkoran in the Philippines. Coconut shredder. This is equivalent to 3 whole coconut. So I shred this for at least around 30 minutes. Okay, and then I squeeze it to make. That's it. Now we are going to make latik from grated coconut. Okay, now I have to squeeze this to get the juice. 5 cups of water. I start to squeeze this fresh juice. We have to squeeze this for one more time. Okay, now this is the milk of coconut. Now we start to boil this. When you start boiling, turn it to medium heat. Okay, from time to time, you have to scrape this one here so it will not stick on the surface. Okay. It and then relax. That's it. And wait for another maybe 20-30 minutes. Okay. And this is the 2 cups of sweet rice cooked. And I cook it with the pandan leaves. Oh yeah, so good. Smells good. Okay, don't forget pandan leaves, and this from Seafood City. Okay, this is the pandan leaves. Okay, now we will start making the biko. I'll use 2 cups of brown sugar, then coconut milk. 2 cups of coconut milk. Let it boil. This one we'll wait until it boils. Takes time. I still have to put the vanilla, just a few drops. Now I could put the rice na. Now I have to add sliced jackfruit. Let the extra liquid evaporate. This is almost done. Maybe in a few more minutes this will be done. Okay, looking good, looking good. Also, this latik is now forming. That's the core that will become latik. Kunti-unti lang. Our biko is almost done. Oh, look at that. Look at the core. That is the latik. We'll wait until it turns out to brown. And these are the coconut oil. I'm getting some coconut oil for spread the surface of the pan where we are going to transfer the biko so it won't stick.
Pastry brush.
Now, biko is done. Okay, we're done. This is the cord or the latik. It's done. So we have to strain this to separate the cord from the oil. Wow, smells good. I hope you could smell it in your camera. Okay, this is the biko with latik from the Deliosa kitchen. Kain na!